What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert currencies on PayPal, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So how to convert currencies? Let's say you're having dollars and you want to switch them to euros or vice versa or any other currency. Are you able to do it? Yes, of course. PayPal offers a large variety of currencies, and I'm gonna show you the steps which you have to take to do the conversion. So of course, if you're having money, you need to convert it. Here's how to do it. So to convert money to another currency, you need to go to payment methods, then select the more icon beside the currency you want to convert and click convert currency. Select a currency and enter the amount you want to convert. Their conversion rate will be displayed on the page. Then of course you need to click next and press convert now. So guys, it's quite an easy process, and for business, basically you need to go to money, click convert currency below the currency you want to convert, enter the amount you want to convert and select the currency, and again their conversion rate will be displayed. Of course you need to click next, click convert, and that's basically how to do it on personal and on business account. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the near future. Goodbye.